Professor Zahid Mahmood is widely recognized for his exceptional skill in laparoscopic surgery, a minimally invasive technique that has transformed the field of surgery. This approach provides patients with shorter recovery times, reduced pain, and minimal scarring. Professor Mahmood's expertise in this area allows him to perform complex procedures with great precision, ensuring the best possible outcomes for his patients. In addition to his proficiency in laparoscopic surgery, Professor Mahmood is also highly skilled in general surgery, excelling in a wide range of surgical procedures including abdominal surgeries, hernia repairs, appendectomies, and other general surgical interventions. His adept hands and sharp clinical judgment consistently lead to superior results. Patients who choose Professor Zahid Mahmood for their care can be confident that they are in the hands of a compassionate, experienced, and highly skilled surgeon who prioritizes their well-being above all else. For those in search of a top-tier surgeon in Lahore, Professor Mahmood is a symbol of excellence. To schedule appointments and consultations, you can contact Professor Zahid Mahmood at 0300 413 0159.